I am Chef Munir El Hilali, co-owner of Crepes Parfait, and today we're cooking Mediterranean tuna pasta salad. We need the end pieces that we saved while making the fresh pasta, and also some of that fresh pasta that we made. 1 can tuna, a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 garlic clove, 1 teaspoon capers, Tabasco sauce, a 1/4 cup Kalamata olives, 1/4 cup canned roasted peppers, salt, and some fresh ground black pepper. Loosen the pasta a little bit and line it up. Cut it into about 1-inch pieces. Add some flour so that those cut end pieces don't stick to each other, and cook it in boiling salted water. As soon as you drop it in, make sure you stir a little bit to prevent the pasta pieces from sticking to each other. And fresh pasta cooks a lot faster than dry pasta. When the pasta floats to the top, give it about 1 minute and it's ready. Strain it, then run it under cold water to stop the cooking process and to cool it down. When it feels cool to the touch, it's ready. Let it drain very well. Meanwhile, let's mix the other ingredients for the pasta salad. Smash and chop the garlic very fine. Then smash it a little bit with the side of the knife. Add it to a bowl. Flatten the olives a little bit, then chop them very fine. Add them to the bowl. Chop the roasted red peppers as well. Add them to the bowl. Add the capers. Drain the tuna and add it to the bowl. Add the olive oil. Add the Tabasco sauce, some fresh ground black pepper, and salt. Then mix it very well. Mash in the tuna to break it into small pieces, and also burst in the capers so that they release their flavor. Once all the ingredients are mixed very well, add the pasta and mix the whole thing together very well. And there it is, Mediterranean tuna pasta salad. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, because there is more coming.